I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by placing only tradable items in your inventory and confirming their values. Once done, join a public lobby or a trusted friend server to find a trade partner quickly. Open Royale High's trading UI and create one concise offer. List exact items and put a crown or rare as collateral when needed. Make sure to name your price clearly. State whether you want crowns, a specific item, or item bundles. This reduces back and forth and prevents misunderstandings before the trade starts. You now move into the trade itself and keep control by comparing rarity and recent sale trends in chat or a price guide. Once both parties propose, you split offers method. Trade one item at a time or bundle equals bundle to balance value. Make sure both sides place their items and crowns into the trade window at the same time. Do not accept until you visually confirm everything is present. If someone asks to remove an item, pause and request a clear explanation before proceeding. To finish, double-check the final trade window contents one last time and confirm only when items match your agreed terms. After you accept and the trade completes, immediately verify the items in your inventory. If the trade fails or you suspect a scam, cancel and exit the window, take screenshots, report the user, and block them. If items do not appear despite success, relog into the game and check again. Often a quick reconnect resolves sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.